Starting in Tadasana, ground into the earth, palms together, close the eyes, stand tall. Inhale, reach the arms up, look up, open the heart. Exhale, pour forward, bend the knees if you need to touch the earth. Inhale, halfway lift, back gets long, chest forward. Exhale, weight into the balls of the feet, fold again. Inhale, plant the hands in front of your feet, come onto tippy toes. Exhale, return. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale all the way up, hinging from the hips, palms touch. Exhale, hands to the heart. Take a big breath in. Exhale, sit low into a chair pose. Inhale, pick the left knee up off the ground, firming the right thigh. Inhale again, reach the arms up overhead. As you exhale, start to twist, bringing the right hand to the outside of the left leg, the left hand behind you. Try to find the balance here. It's okay if you wobble. Inhale deeply, and exhale, turn the gaze behind you. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, untwist the body, and then wrap the left knee over the right knee. Maybe you can hook the left ankle around the right calf, and then left arm comes under right as we press the palms together and come into eagle pose. Keep breathing. Inhale, unhinge, lift the arms up, lift the knee up, and now exhale, come into tree pose, planting the left foot to the inside of the right thigh. Glue the foot to the thigh by engaging the inner thigh and scooping the lower belly in and up, standing even taller, rooting and rising. Palms come to heart. Find steady breath. Gently release, and now cross left ankle over the right thigh, sitting low like a Canada goose. I like to call this one Canada goose pose. Press the palms together, collarbones spread away from each other, chest is lifted. Inhale, undo. As you exhale, find the balance and hold on to the inside of the left foot with the left arm. Descending the knee, descending the tailbone, lower belly scoops in and up. Find a drishti point, inhale, lifting right arm. And as you exhale, moving into dancer's pose, kick the left leg into the left hand and keep reaching forward with the right hand. Inhale, release, and exhale, stand tall. Big breath in, full breath out, palms to heart. Inhale, exhale, other side, sitting low. Inhale, lift the right knee off the ground. Arms reach up on the next inhale. Exhale, twist the left arm to the outside of the right knee, looking behind you if you can find the balance. A big part about balance pose is allowing, releasing, fluidity, and also rooting into the earth as you rise tall. Let's move into eagle pose now, crossing right knee over left. Maybe you can hook the toes behind the calf, maybe not, doesn't matter. And then bring the right arm under the left as you bend the elbows and press palms together. Inhale, undo from the eagle pose. Exhale, tree pose. Firming the left thigh, flexing the right foot to really glue the foot to the leg. Hands come to heart. Shoulders relax. Focus steady. Cross right ankle over left thigh, sit low, back is super long, tailbone moving away from the crown of the head lifting towards the sky. Inhale, slowly come up. Hold the inside of the right foot, knee lowers, belly scoops in and up. Find balance before moving anywhere. And then inhale to lift the left arm up to the sky, and exhale, simultaneously kick back as you reach forward to find dancer's pose, rolling the shoulders back, opening the heart. Inhale, slowly release. Exhale, hands to heart. Now, if at any point you bobble here, it's not a big deal. Just keep breathing and try again. It's okay to fall out of a balance. This is why we call it practice. I'm going to turn to face you now as we move into the next part of our practice, and I'm just going to clear away some of the stones on the ground beneath my feet. And then again, grounding down, standing tall, rooting into the earth. Pick up the right knee and interlace the fingers around the leg. Stand up really tall. You might feel some feedback in the hip flexors. That's okay. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, reach fingertips underneath the leg, and then try to straighten the right leg. If you like, you can even inhale, stretch the chest forward, and exhale, fold a little more. On the next inhale, we'll hook peace fingers around the big toes, reach the left arm up and around, and then cactus that arm. Inhale, open the leg out to the side for Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Extend the left arm out, and if you have balance, look over the left shoulder. It's tricky. Just give it a try. This is all about practice. Gently release the foot. And we'll try that on the other side. So ground down through the right leg, lifting left knee up. First taking a bit of a stretch. Grab the knee, bring it into the chest, and then slowly reach down, interlacing the fingers under the foot, scoop in through the lower belly, and if you're ready, start to straighten the front leg. And it's okay if the knee bends. We never want to lock the knee in yoga, so keep a very gentle bend in that knee. Peace fingers go around the left big toes. Inhale, slowly come up, extending the leg. Big breath in, full breath out. Oop, it's okay if you wiggle around. Just keep practicing, keep going, and then bring the leg out to the side. And again, if you fall, no big deal. Just try again. Whoop. So here we go. Trying again. And if you're doing this practice like me outside, the ground is not stable, so it's definitely much trickier than in a yoga studio or on a flat surface. Whoa, gently release the leg. To standing. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Forward fold. Start to heel toe your feet out about as wide as the hips, maybe wider, and sit low into a squat. This will help release the lower back, relieve any sciatic pain, and just kind of ground you down after those balancing, after that toppling, if there was any. Just take a few breaths here to recenter and appreciate the practice that you've done. Stand tall, hands to heart. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.